Can I get Roku on Apple TV? No, Roku is not available as an app on Apple TV because Roku is a separate streaming platform with its own operating system. However, you can still access Roku content and channels on Apple TV using alternative methods like the Roku Channel app, AirPlay, or an external Roku device. 1. Using the Roku Channel app on Apple TV. While the Roku streaming platform itself is not available on Apple TV, the Roku Channel app is available on the Apple App Store. This app provides access to free Roku content, but it does not allow full Roku functionality. To install it, open the App Store on your Apple TV. Search for the Roku Channel. Select Install and wait for the download to complete. Open the app, sign in if required, and start streaming free content. 2. Using AirPlay to stream Roku content to Apple TV. If you have a Roku device or Roku app on your phone, you can AirPlay content from your iPhone or iPad to Apple TV. Ensure your Apple TV and iPhone/iPad are on the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Roku app or a Roku streaming channel on your phone. Tap the AirPlay icon in the video player. Select your Apple TV as the AirPlay destination. 3. Connecting an external Roku device to Apple TV. If you want to use Roku's full features on an Apple TV, the best option is to connect a Roku streaming device. Plug a Roku stick or Roku box into an available HDMI port on your Apple TV or TV screen. Switch to the Roku input source using your TV remote. Set up the Roku device and start streaming. 4. Watching Roku content through a web browser. If your Apple TV supports a web browser, you can access the Roku channel via the official website. Open a web browser on your Mac or iPad. Go to www.therokuchannel.com. Sign in and stream Roku's free content. Use AirPlay to mirror the screen to your Apple TV. Although Roku is not available as an app on Apple TV, you can still watch the Roku channel, AirPlay content from a Roku device, or connect an external Roku streaming player for full Roku functionality. Checking your Apple TV's capabilities will help you find the best way to access Roku content.